Hello everyone, this is East Canada Fire Alarms. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this IBM pull station. This is an old one. It is known as the Chevron. This is actually bigger than the more commonly known Chevron. I will open it so you can see the inside. There's a hex screw here on the top. I'm using this Mastercraft hex tool. And I just accidentally hit my phone holder. I'll put this aside. Here's the inside. Model is 4252-1. The switch is rated for 125 volts at 1 amp. So this pull station was probably used on a 120 volt system. This hinge is weird. It shakes like this. Apparently it's normal. The screw seems to be tightened. Yeah, it's tight. So in the inside, here's the handle. Quite a little bit of people thought this was broken. It's actually made like this. As you can see, there's actually paint there, so it's not broken. It's interesting. Here's the button. I think it's an arrow heart button. I cannot see it well. I think it is an arrow heart button. There's a terminal block on the back where the button's connected to. Here's a catch for the screw. It's actually not open on the bottom. And then there are mounting holes for your single gang box, and this might be for 4x4 box. It's a little bit too big to be a 2 gang box. To put a glass rod in, you would raise the handle, slide your glass rod into these slots here, and put your handle back down. And that's pretty much it for the inside and the outside of it. We're going to give it a test. So I have prepared a Mercom horn here, and I have a power supply and I have an outlet over there. I will wire this pull station with my screwdriver here. This is an older type of terminal blocks. It doesn't have clamps on it, so it's actually not as easy to wire. I chose these smaller wires because they work better with these types of terminal blocks. Here we go. I will plug in the power supply, and this battery decided to exit its little space. There we go. This is plugged in now, and we're going to give it a test in 3, 2, 1. So it works. And here's the pull station reset. So that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and have a good day, evening, whatever time it is for you. Enjoy.